If you guys saw the title of the video, you guys already know what we're about to get into. It is time to say goodbye to the Top Gun Corvette, guys. We're saying goodbye to the wing, car, the splitter, saying goodbye to the car. You guys might have noticed the Type R is not here. We are also going to be moving. That's right, I just bought a new house, but it's time for us to also get this car moved and to say goodbye and to get this thing up out of here. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow and share the subscribe button. Oh man, this car is never gonna be the same, guys, because it is you guys, I couldn't even fool you guys. We're saying goodbye, but not forever for this car. This car is now going to be going to RS Future with the mirror. You guys might have heard it from me on this channel and my Instagram for about a year and a half now. I've been talking about how I want to get a full RS Future Aero kit on the car, and that is what we are officially going to be doing today. We are taking the car to RS Future in a mirror. You guys might know him with his dope NSX. You guys might know him with a bunch of cars that he's worked on, but today is going to be that day. For real, y'all, man, I am so excited. I just want to say thank you to Amir, thank you to RS Future for allowing me to bring my car there, for working on this car, just taking the time to really do your guys' special things to this vehicle. I know how much you guys are gonna be helping me with this. I really hope that you guys have fun with this. Film the car, have fun with the car, enjoy it. Give me recommendations as what you guys think I should do as far as making my car faster. Like I said, guys, I'm really gonna be taking this time attack thing very serious. I'm taking the racing very serious, and going to Mirror and RS Future is a first step to really doing that. All right, so what we're gonna do is, I know it's been a minute. Let's show you guys a little the inside. Let's do a little, ooh, started to get in here. Let's do a little cold start. Corvette. Man, I love this car, y'all. Let's warm up a little bit. Oh, I missed you. Oh, I've missed you. Damn. Bad boy on the street. All right, guys, I'm trying to get a more personable perspective for you guys. You guys can see me a little bit more. All right, guys, now before we get on the truck, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just wipe it down a little bit, clean it up, so that way when we get to RS Future, it's a little bit more clean, a little more presentable. Again, not really a need, but I just love this car, man. I know you guys love the Subaru content, but I truly am a Corvette enthusiast. This is my very favorite car. This is the car I just have been wanting for so many years, and now that we're finally here at the last stage, guys, gonna get the Aero. Gonna try and see if I can also get the cage done, because I do need to get the cage. But once I get the cage and the Aero done, it's pretty much all set and ready to go. Just gotta do maintenance for the rest of the life of the car, but man, we're getting there. And just, I wanna say thank you guys. 25,000 subscribers. We are at 25,000. It is hot out here. You guys so much from the bottom of my heart for seriously following. I've been doing YouTube for 4 years now, and 4 years came quick. And so many of you have been here from day one, back in the OG C6 Corvette days, to the Subaru WRX days, to the STI days, to the C7 Z06 days, and now the Type R days. And I just want to say I appreciate all of you guys. We're gonna get this cleaned up really quick, and then we're gonna go on the truck and let's get going. My sister was also giving me advice on just doing much more personal videos and really interacting with you guys that much more face to face, more being out there. I'm a very private kind of guy, so bear with me, and let's get to it. We got the package in tow. We are on the way to RS Future. Why does that look like a McLaren or something from hella far? Oh man, but we got the vet on the way, man. All the way, Amir. RS Future, let's get it. All right, YouTube family, we finally are here, guys. We are over here at RS Future and Art of Attack. Amir is going to be taking care of the vet, aka Top Gun, guys. Man, I'm so excited, man. Shout out to Amir, shout out to RS Future one more time for just allowing me to come in, for consulting me, for just everything that they've done for this car and me over the last year or two. If you guys don't know, Amir is the owner and the person with RS Future. He has the awesome NSX that has been dominating Time Attack. You guys might have seen him in street class. He's going to be moving to Unlimited. So definitely go ahead and check out Amir's channel. Go ahead and check out his Instagram. I'll go ahead and put the links down below in the description. But this might be the cleanest NSX I have ever seen, guys. Color and just the car itself doesn't do justice if you're seeing it on video. Doesn't need any type of work done, any type of aero, especially aero, but any type of work, go ahead and hit up RS Future or even Art of Attack. They're over here sharing the same shop. All right, guys, so we're gonna be going ahead getting a whole bunch of work done. We're getting a new wing. The wing is gonna be really massive. It's actually gonna be much bigger. It's gonna be very similar to a mirror, so you guys can see how big that wing is and the end plates. So we're getting that wing done. We're gonna see if we can still use the same brackets, but we're gonna be changing the wing and the mounts, but we'll have to check and see. We're also going to be adding a side skirt piece here just for extra aero. Amir is actually in the process of making that, so we're gonna see how it goes. If you guys like it, definitely hit him up for getting that in the car. So it's actually gonna be keeping this same side skirt piece right here, but we're gonna be making a nice air dam underneath here to just add some more width to it. It's gonna look really nice, but it's also gonna add performance. And for the splitter, guys, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna be keeping this carbon splitter here. That's from OEM, the stage 3. But what we're gonna be doing is making a big splitter here that Amir's gonna give us. It's gonna be a massive splitter, kind of just looking like the M4 over there. It's gonna be very similar to that. Massive end plates. But we're gonna be keeping this. We're gonna be making an air dam, so that way there's not gonna be air coming up. So this whole front's gonna be really beautiful. You're gonna see a new splitter. You're gonna see a massive end plates as well, and there's gonna be an air dam to help with the airflow of the car so it doesn't go underneath. So that way the car can perform very good. And I'm just so excited, guys. It is pretty hot over here today, but just like I was saying, guys, we finally did it, man. This is the dream car, the dream build, Top Gun, and it's finally getting to the last stages of getting this car really prepped and ready for full track sessions, full track racing, and the season coming up, guys. 2023 Global Time Attack. We're going to be trying to get this car done by then so we can start competing. Going to do a lot more HPDE events, and just going to be showing you guys the whole process, man. Want to motivate all of you guys that if you're interested in getting into this type of racing, interested in getting into any track racing. You know, I've had no experience. I've come from a background of no car track experience, no family members racing car experience. So I really want to motivate all of you guys to know that you can also do this and you can get into it. And it's fun, and it's a lot of good people that will help support you guys on this journey. Big shout out as well to Frank. He is a local and just amazing track driver, guys. This Camaro is crazy. He races in the NASA, the TT2, I think, series. I'm not sure, but I believe TT2, but his just in a just built Camaro. He does crazy times. I think he just did like a 125 at Big Willow. This guy is fast, man. This car is absolutely beautiful. Look at the way the cage is looking in here. Damn. But shout out to Frank, and just shout out to just so many different cars. Let's just go around. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars in here. We got an awesome Supra getting some work in here. We have this clean NSX on Volk Rays wheels, Alpha seats. Look at this carbon fiber seat. Damn, this NSX is clean. Oh my gosh. Dang, look at this. I'm now part of the Honda gang, so I have to say, guys, now that I've started it, I love these cars. We got the GTR, the R32 that they were, I believe, Art of Attack and RS Future are collabing on rebuilding this and just making it to a full track car. That's gonna be sick. We got the classic Datsun, we got an Evo, we got the Civics. We have that clean NSX over there. Shout out to my new FK8 homies right here. This is Art of Attacks and one of their track cars that you guys might have seen at track days, track events. or on YouTube. They've been building this car for a minute, and it looks really good. I have to say, it looks really, really good. Here's also RS Future's BMW M4 that they race a lot. This thing's going under the knife very soon, but they did a great job. I like the front. You know, I gotta be honest, guys. The front, at first with these BMWs, I wasn't sure of, but I think adding all this extra aero really just kind of looks good. In person, it looks much better than pictures. Like right here, it doesn't look the best in video and pictures, but in person, it's mean. It's absolutely mean. I love this M4. This M4 is really, really nice. At least you guys know my very favorite cars in the world. These GT3s, GT3 RS, GT3. I mean, these things are just, gosh damn, these things are so beautiful, man. Dang. Man, Mir is so lucky. He gets to work with some crazy cars, guys. Dang, man. GT3 and GT3 RS. This is beautiful. This is perfection. This is just perfection, y'all. Someday, man, we'll get to this level. Dang, look at this. All right, you guys, but we're about to get out of here. One more time, thank you to Amir, to the whole RS Future team, just for letting me keep the car here, for getting the work done. We got the new splitter going on. We got the side skirts going on, the new wing going on. We're gonna check with the exhaust so that way we can get on certain tracks. So we're gonna try and get the pipes and check and see about the cage inside. Try and get the whole car done. But other than that, guys, man, thank you so much for just the support. One more time, thank you for 25,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. It's time to say see you later, man. Not goodbye, see you later. Anyway, guys, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Lots of great cars. You guys can see Amir and the whole team is used to working on just top tier cars. So if you guys want any type of work done on your cars, please go ahead and bring them to Art of Attack and RS Future. Anyone have a great day, guys. Peace.